Wow, this is so amazing.
Yes, maybe you can compare with
Guys, you have to see this. Look at this beauty. Like
Wow.
all of it. Yes, all of it. Okay.
because it's bigger. The bigger.
Yes. How do you feel? Because I already drink it, so you can see my energy.
Wow.
I wish you can smell it. This.
Yeah, it's amazing. So I have to
Amazing.
say, yeah. Wow. 收到一种能量，
Balanced.
但是又很平衡，能够给予那种很平衡的能量。
And when I tried it a couple of weeks
Those
ago,
clean wash thing, the natural thing to
Organic.
a rose plant.
look at this. Okay. Look at this color. Oh, so now continue. Okay. Okay.
Turn around.
Ah, okay. Thank
To
you.
make it perfectly in.
Okay, so I'm not going to talk. Let me enjoy. Let me enjoy. Wow, guys, look at this beauty. It reminds me of my grandparents. They had
遗留下来的东西，它并不是一个要扔的，它其实一点都不腐朽。
So we're gonna try our Kombucha coffee. Here's beauty. Let's see this
Oh, it's very
color.
beautiful.
Wow, look
Wow.
at the color.
Can't wait to try. No. Wow. Wow.
Cheese.
Cafe! Cheers, guys!
Magic color. 感觉就是很明亮。康普茶咖啡。